faulty shock. I don't know what you did.
We are headed to Glamis for the New Year's week, and we got quite quite the overload here for the New Year's week. I am squatting to the point of my truck's gonna break in half. We got the Malvar, an Expedition, my Pro R, and here comes the beast, the racer, sand car, Sean's. And then we got 2 side-by-sides in there.
Came up right here and he just started whopping it, and then he missed one razor and then smacked him.
Oh, he hit you?
Oh, yeah,
He's just out of control.
Oh.
Expedition being the tow pig.
Send the cannon.
And a helicopter race. Go. Oh, there they go. Who's faster? R44 against R44. Put a show on.
We got Sean being a good Samaritan. This guy was by himself. He broke down. So we got a rope and a pull. A few things you can get through Desert SXS at a big discount. MTS, go to our website, you can get MTS shocks, springs, everything done through us. We can get you a big discount there. Also Hostile Wheels, go to our website, we can get you a big discount there. Voodoo, just go to Voodoo, Desert SXS, that saves you 10%. Pro EFI, we got a big turbo kit on here at Pro EFI. That'll save you 15% if you use Desert SXS. So hopefully that helps you guys out on saving some money on doing a big build on your car. Look at that, chrome dome. Boom. A little snug up. Going for a rip right here, going to Olds.
Let's do this.
Cameras are rolling.
Cameras are rolling. Let me know what you think. Anything under like 4,000 drivability, if it loads up or does anything. So I wanted to see if you thought it was better before.
got the win.
Right there.
What?
You got a whizzy wheel on that.
I go run him down.
Go run them down.
KT kit.
Okay.
How's yours running?
Oh,
Like crap.
you got it. You go
That
now.
black one.
Hey, pull a close. Get him.
Let's do it!
Whoa. Pull a close.
Better watch out.
Yeah.
We're all full of this and vinegar right now.
That was brutal.
Yeah.
This poor thing, like we were just, I don't know if you can see it, but my back end was everywhere.
That first one,
I mean-
I saw that.
Huh?
That first one I did when you were turning too.
Oh, it was rough. We were just bouncing.
What are you doing? Hanging out? Oh, you
What's up,
saying
man?
hi?
Want to say what up to some YouTube famous guys.
What's up, man? Knuckles, what's your name? Ha! Ha! Hey! Awesome. See y'all! Come on. Yo.
White diamond just sitting there, and someone came over and called me out, wanted to run me. Dude had a fast car. It's a Hanson car. It's actually pretty dang quick. Check it out. I'm just out here having a good time, racing anybody and everybody that will race me. I don't really care if it's a sand car with twin turbos, a Razor with a turbo or twin turbos or a supercharger. I just like to compare and see the difference from kit to kit and person to person.
Big shout out to No Sight. Got these big, called the Halos.
And then I got the little minis. We've done running the minis, but we needed more. So got these big boys right here. Pretty excited to be able to see again at night. Nice thing is they got the pop-off lens here. So you can go from your ambers to your clears. And then there's also a black one to cover it.
Okay.
Sun is right in my face.
Yeah, it's radiant right now.
Radiant.
It's like a giant ring light.
Yes.
Halo. Got the halo going on.
Yes.
Got to put that brim way down now. Just as that frickin' tow truck. Dude, that tow truck yesterday.
He was busy.
Today with some customers. Luckily not us though. All right, we want to do a quick update of Brent's Pro R. At this point, we haven't really talked much about it. It's got 4,000 miles on it, and then Pro EFI put a big turbo kit on it. Well, Brent paid for a turbo kit, but he used my discount code of Desert SXS. But he also just did MTS, and he did kind of the full works. This thing was done. I mean, it's 4,000 miles, it's clapped out, right? So front to back, MTS, valving, springs, all that stuff. Knuckles.
Sporks.
Yeah, a lot was done to this. So mad shout out to MTS. A big reason why we go through MTS and Pro EFI is just their customer service is just, it's amazing. They just found a way to fit him in. He needed it, his shocks were done, my shocks were done, and they'll find a way to get you taken care of. And that's what I love about MTS. And same with Pro EFI. I mean, I've seen Sean tuning and helping. I mean, people just randomly come in here, dude, Sean, will you help me out? And he's just like, sure. He like drops whatever he's doing, working on his own car, and just takes care of customers like 24/7. He's bringing his laptop with us when we're riding and helping customers. It's crazy what Sean and Pro EFI does, and Ned from MTS. I mean, the customer service is on another level, and that's why I went with both of these guys when I've done my car, Brent's car. At the end of the day, we pay for our stuff, but I get a discount for sure, but you can too. Desert SXS, or go to our website to get those discounts. But mad shout out to these guys. Big shout out. But Brent, does your car drive a lot better?
A lot better.
Is it like floating on a...
It's plush. Yes.
Floating on a cloud? That's what it would be?
Yep.
And then you got power now.
Yep.
And the big difference between, I mean, at the end of the day, my car has a 62 mil, Brent's car has a 62 mil turbo. Really the big difference is what are you gonna do to the motor? I just got pistons and rods in mine just to make it so I can do a little bit more boost than 12 pounds. I know a lot of people claim that they can do more, but you're on a ticking time bomb if you ask me if you do that. Also, some people's 16 pounds and my 16 pounds may be two different differences in power. So we may need to dial it back a little bit. Sean took out the CV on that car. We tore my front end off of my car. He's gone through a belt or two. This we have kept alive, but we got sketched a couple times. And then now we need a new diff for this. Was Glamis everything you thought of and more, Chase?
Yeah, breakdowns, more breakdowns.
How many more breakdowns?